Are you being annoyed by the User Interface Automation Client DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Ensure your User Interface Automation Client environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the User Interface Automation Client, the foundational library for the Windows UI automation framework. It provides the programmatic interface for screen readers, like Narrator, and automated testing tools to interact with Windows. If corrupted, third-party accessibility tools and localized macro bots will fail to read the screen. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Uiautomation Client is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the SFC/Scan, now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including User Interface Automation Client. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like User Interface Automation Client DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to User Interface Automation Client. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing User Interface Automation Client was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.